10 members after dot, it is not that there are only 10 members there. Okay.
Okay.
Console class was written by Microsoft, and he did something. He wrote something in the code so that you, while using it, can only see 10 members of it. But he have written 100 members in it. Okay, there are 100 members in console class, but I can see only 10 while using them. Okay.
Okay.
How he did that? That is with static. I mean, like static. You can see before class program, you can see internal, right?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
So without that internal also it will work. So your declaration of class is you have to give class and class name. That's it.
Okay.
So that internal is an additional one. Here for method also, main method, void main is enough. That static is not necessary. Okay. So whatever you declare before depends whether it has to be shown while using them or not.
Okay.
Okay. So now Girija, you wrote program. Somewhere
Yes.
Santosh will use the program now. He will click on, he will write program and he will type dot.
Okay.
So whether your main method should show when Santosh is typing dot or not, that will get decided by the static or whatever is there in that place.
Okay.
Okay.
So if I remove the static, if I click on the dot, no, it will not show the child. Is that mean?
No, that is again independent. Whatever you have given for the main method, that is not dependent on the content. I told you, right?
Nothing
You
is
can,
dependent on this
yes,
line. What
nothing
we
is
are.
dependent. Yes,
Okay.
yes, whatever you might use it, you can use inside. But the main method, when you use main method, or whenever someone is using program class, when someone is typing program dot, whether you want to show main method or not, that depends upon the programmer. Okay. For example, take a body, or you take a human body. You can see hands, legs, head, shoulders, everything, right? Eyes, nose, mouth. But can you see blood?
No.
Can you see nerves?
No.
No. Can you see brain? No. Can you see heart? No. No, right?
No.
Assume your human body is a class. Now I have internal class human body, not program.
Okay.
I have internal class human body. Okay. Now in that human body, I have so many members. I have hands, fingers, hand fingers, legs and legs fingers, my stomach, my head, my nose, my lips, mouth, everything we can see outside, right?
Yes.
But my human body class also have blood,
Means, yeah.
also have blood, nerves, heart. Without that, will my body work? No, right?
No.
It is necessary. It is must for my body to function. When only it has heart, brain, kidney, liver, everything, right? But
Yeah.
are those visible to you outside?
No.
To the other person? No, right?
No.
So that is where the difference comes. Okay.
Okay.
So it depends here. Now it depends on that particular static is there, right? So that static word, if you keep that as a blank, okay, that blank space is for access specifier.
Okay.
What is it?
I am typing in the chat box.
Okay.
Access specifiers. Okay.
So access means something you can see, something you can see visually, or you have access cards to go to your office, right? Without which you cannot enter the office.
Yes.
The same thing is applies here. Access specifier. It specifies the access type, whether we can see it or not. Simple.
Okay.
Okay, this static is there, right? That static is one of the access specifier.
Okay.
Okay, is one of the type of access specifier. Okay,
Okay.
so now for write line, for read line also, there is one access specifier.
Okay.
For console, inside console class, this Microsoft fellow gave some specifier, access specifier other than static. It is not static. Something in place of static, he gave some other specifier. That is why you are able to see here.
Okay.
So there are some other specifiers. If they give them, we cannot see them. When you type dot, we cannot see them. Okay. So if there are 100 members, in a class, the programmer can have a full freedom. He can himself decide that which have to be used, which can be used, or which cannot be used by people. Okay. So that which can be used, which cannot be used will be decided by access specifier.
Okay.
So now here your class program is enough for your declaration, but internal is there, right? This is an access specifier. Okay. And that is purely, see, now I gave internal for class. I took static for my method. So are they dependent? No, right?
No.
If I think that if I think they are dependent, then my main method should also be internal, right?
Yes.
So it is completely irrelevant, independent. Okay, whatever you give for the parent, it will not affect the child. But while using, if you don't give parent access, for example, if you have a building, you have access for some one room in that building. Okay, but you don't have access for that building itself. Can you go inside?
No.
No, right? You should have access also for that building main gate.
Yes.
Then only you can open the main gate. Then only you can go to that room. You are not qualified only. You are not qualified only if you have that room access, right? You will be qualified only when you have the building access and the room access, both, right?
Okay.
You should have the parent and child access, both. The same here. Okay. Whatever might be the parent access specifier, whatever it might be the child access specifier, if the parent is having an access specifier of, like you can see, then only you can see the child. If I tell hide parent, if I write show child, first of all, the parent itself is not visible for you, right? How can you go for its child?
Yes.
Got it?
Yes.
So it has to be in a format where you can give the access specifier for the parent, then only you can see its child. Okay, got it?
Yes.
It is not that parent and child should have the same access specifier. You might have different. I may tell you, okay, see my parent, see the parent.